In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a storyboard in FigJam. By the end, you'll have a clear, visual plan for your story, product flow, or presentation, all set up inside FigJam. First, open your browser and go to figma.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Figma home screen. From here, you'll see options for both Figma design files and FigJam whiteboards. Next, click FigJam to start working in a whiteboard. You can either create a fresh FigJam board or open a recent FigJam file if you already have one you want to use. Opening a recent file is great if you're adding a storyboard to an existing brainstorming board. Starting fresh keeps things focused. Now go to Templates. Inside the FigJam board, look for the template options. If you're in a new board, you may see a panel inviting you to explore templates. If you're in an existing board, there's a templates option in the interface that opens the gallery. Templates are a fast way to get structured frameworks without building them from scratch. In the search field, type Storyboard. You'll see ready-made storyboard layouts designed for visual storytelling. These usually include panels or frames for scenes, space for notes, and areas for descriptions. Skim the previews to find a style that matches your needs, like a simple sequence for product flows or a more detailed film-style storyboard for narrative work. Choose the template you like and click Add Template. FigJam will drop it onto your board. Give it a second to load and then position it on your canvas so you have room to work. If the template offers size or layout variations, pick the one that best fits your project. You can always resize the entire template or individual panels later. Now it's time to edit it. Replace placeholder titles with your project name, and start filling in each panel with your scenes or steps. Add brief descriptions for what happens, include dialogue or key messages if relevant, and note goals or emotions for each moment. You can drag in images or sketches, paste screenshots, or draw simple thumbnails to communicate ideas quickly. Use sticky notes for quick thoughts, to-do items, or feedback. Keep your panels consistent in size and order, and duplicate a panel when you want to maintain the same layout for the next scene. Use colors to group sequences, labels to keep track of versions, and alignment tools so everything looks clean. If you're collaborating, invite teammates to add comments or edit in real time. FigJam saves automatically so you can iterate safely as your storyboard evolves. And that's it. You've created a storyboard in FigJam, from login to template to a fully customized visual plan.